All right, welcome to module number 10, where we're going to be setting up our image optimization plugin called Smush. So image optimization is very important because we want to make sure that all the images that we have on our site load quickly. And so we need to make sure that they are formatted properly and that they are sized correctly and that they are smushed and compressed to the smallest possible size. So here we go. The first thing we want to do is head over to Plugins, Add New, and look for Smush. Here we go, install, and then we'll activate it. All right, and then you'll see Smush on the left side, so go ahead and click that. And that'll bring up a little wizard. We can go through those. That kind of helps set up the initial setup there. It's going to look for any images that need to be compressed right away. And then the next thing we can do is click Lazy Load and activate that. And then we're set. This plugin will now automatically smush or compress all of your images as you upload them to your site.